Welcome to Island Echo Unit 5F. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Gulfront unit sits on a premium floor with spectacular view of the Gulf from its very own balcony. Inside, you'll find many updates such as tile floor throughout, in-unit laundry, high-end furnishing, fully loaded kitchen with granite countertops, and so much more. Island Echo is a premier beachfront resort on Loclusa Island with many amenities for its guests, such as Gulfront pool, tenants, gym, grill area, private beach access through boardwalk, and so much more. Call today.